Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with Kalika Chetarike for 8th standard and the subject is English for Urdu medium students. So now let us start and solve the learning sheets. Let us begin with the first learning sheet 1. Learning sheet 1. Here it is activity 1.1. Your teacher will read the following pairs of words. Listen and repeat. Here what you have to do, you just listen what I am repeating the words and you have to repeat these words. Feel, fill, heat, hit, sleep, slip, green, grin. What difference in sound were you able to identify for each pair of words? Here, while I was pronouncing these words, would you feel any difference? Would you find any difference here? Yes, there is a difference in pronouncing these words. Here it is feel and it is fill. It is heat, it is hit. It is sleep and it is slip. It is green and it is green. What there is a difference? There is difference here. We are using the long vowel sound and here it is the short vowel sound. Okay. See here the next activity 1.2. Say each word given below and write them down in either of the two columns. A few examples have been given for you. Here some words are given. You have to separate these words in the long vowel sound E and the short vowel sound E. It is the long vowel sound E. This symbol I and these two dots. This symbol represents the long vowel sound E and this symbol represents the short vowel sound E. See here what the words here has been given. Lead, it is the long vowel sound, so we have to write this lead in this column. Lead. Seek, it is also long vowel sound E. Seek, this is long. Clean, here also long vowel sound E, so we have to write this in this column. Fit, it is short vowel sound E, we have to write fit in this column. And then mist, here short vowel sound. Kit, it is also short vowel sound. Priest, it is long vowel sound. Read, it is also long vowel sound. Grin, grin we have to write in short vowel sound. Speed, speed here. Then mix in short vowel sound. And then meet, meet we have to write in long vowel sound. Breed, it is also in long vowel sound. Sheet, it is also in long vowel sound. Win in short vowel sound. Mean here. Spit here. Chit here. Dream here. Fees here. Heed here. Lean here. Trim here. And hid here. Okay. Now let us see the next activity. Activity 2.1. Your teacher will read the following pairs of words. Listen and repeat. Here also the following pairs of words are given. You have to just listen the words and repeat them. Bed, bad. Said, sad. Set, sat. Met, mat. Pen, pan. What difference in sound were you able to identify for each pair of words? Would you find any difference here in pronouncing these words? Yeah, here is a difference. What the difference is? Bed, bad. Here we are pronouncing this as bed and this as bad. This as said and this as sad. Here the vowel sound is A and here the vowel sound is A. Said, A sound, A vowel sound. Sad, A vowel sound. Set, A vowel sound. And here A vowel sound. So this is the difference. Now let us see the next activity. Activity 2.2. Say each word given below and write them down in either of the two columns. A few examples have been given for you. See here, catch. This the symbol represents the vowel sound a. What does it represents? The vowel sound a and e. This is the symbol to represent the vowel sound a, and this is the symbol to represent the vowel sound a. Catch a. So we have to write it in this column. Tense, a vowel sound here. Here we have to write here. Slept, it is also a vowel sound. Fan, a sound here. Left, here. Mad, a vowel sound here. Scratch, here. Neck, a vowel sound here. Span, a vowel sound here. Scent, here. Hatch, here. Fresh, here. Den, here. Drench, here. Sketch, here. Pat, here. Fleck, here. Fleck here. Deck, here. Crack, here. Okay. See the next activity. Activity 3.1. Your teacher will read the following words. Listen and repeat. Here also the following words are given. Your teacher will read these words. Your teacher will read these words. You have to listen and repeat them. Okay. Part, fast, heart, past, smart, mask, shark, hard, art, bark. Can you identify the common sound in all of these words? It is a sound. What does this symbol represent? The vowel sound a, long vowel sound it is. This is small letter a and these two dots. It represents the vowel sound a. Write 4 more words with the same sound. What these sounds you have identified, no? Part, fast, a sound letter words in which the vowel sound a is coming. We have to write that type of 4 words. Here I have written, see here, park, dark, start and mark. Okay. See the next activity. Activity 3.2. Read the paragraph given below. Underline the words that have the sound a and write in the box. Here the long vowel sound a. In this sentence, we have to identify the long vowel sound a and we have to underline that words and we have to write it in this box. He is my father. Here it is long vowel sound a. Father. We have to write here. Father. He works in an art. It is also long vowel sound. Art. Gallery. His master. Master also, here also long vowel sound a. Master is an old man. Past, it is also long vowel sound a. Past. 70. All, here also long vowel sound a. All the workers are, here also long vowel sound a. Are smart, here also long vowel sound. Smart and sincere. We have to underline this is smart. Okay. Now let us see the next activity. Activity 4. Your teacher will read the following words. Listen and repeat. Here also some words are given. You have to listen these words and repeat them. Okay. Again, achieve, assist, above, amidst, among, aloof, around, ashore, ago. What is the sound that all these words begin with? It is a sound. So it is the short a. So the symbol to show the short vowel a. This is the symbol used for the short vowel sound a. Write 4 more words with the same sound. With the same sound we have to write 4 more words. Here, along, a, short vowel a, which is the letter start from the short vowel sound a. We have to write that type of 4 words. Along, apart, arrive, agree. These are the 4 words. Next, activity 5. Your teacher will read the following words, listen and repeat. Here also some words are given. You have to listen and repeat them. Proper, shower, paper, danger, refer, member. What is the sound that all these words end with? Here also the short vowel a. Here the word is ending with the short vowel a. Paper, shower, refer, member. Okay, write 4 more words with the same sound. The word which contains the in the end the short vowel a. Longer. Here this is the a, short vowel a. Shorter, tower. Okay, topper. Here also the letter ending with the short vowel sound a. Next, activity 6. Your teacher will read the following words, listen and repeat. See here, you have to first listen and then you have to repeat these words. Shirt, bird, earth, turn, dirt, learn, hurt. First, what is the common sound in all of these words? It is a, long a. See here, shirt, bird, long vowel sound a. It is written in this like this. Okay, earth, turn, dirt. Okay, we have to read these words like this. Write 4 more words with the same sound. The long a letter words we have to write. Skirt. Okay, her, work, birth. These are the 4 words. Next, see the activity 7. Your teacher will read the following words, listen and repeat. Here also some words are given. You have to listen and repeat them. Up, hush, plus, luck, tub, but, shut, mug. What is the sound common in all of these words? It is a sound. Here the U vowel is used, but it is pronouncing not look. It is luck. Okay, this is not mug. This is mug. This is not plus. This is plus. This is not shoot. This is shut. So this is the symbol to represent a. Write 4 more words with the same sound. Here, hut. It is not hut. It is hut. Crunch. Just. Dust. Here the vowel is U, but it is pronouncing as a. Short a. Activity 8. Your teacher will read the following words, listen and repeat. Here also some words are given. You have to listen and repeat them. Move, school, true, roof, mood, shoe, proof, tune, prove, blue, choose, gloom. What is the common sound in all of these words? It is oo. This is the symbol to represent the vowel sound oo. This is long vowel oo. See here, move, school. This is the sound. What the sound here is coming? Oo sound. Long oo. Write 4 more words with the same sound. See here, food, cool, shoot, foot. These are the 4 words that are pronouncing as oo, long oo. Activity 9. Your teacher will read the following words, listen and repeat. Here also some words are given. You have to listen and repeat them. Could, push, good, would, put, should, bull, book. What is the common sound in all of these words? It is oo. This is short vowel oo. This is the long vowel oo. Here long vowel oo means U and these 2 dots. It is long vowel oo. And this is the short vowel oo. Okay. Could. We have to pronounce these words quickly. Could. Push. This is not push. This is push. Okay. Write 4 more words with the same sound. Here see. Full. Look. Took. Cook. This is not look. This is look. This is not cook. Cook. This is not took. This is cook. We have to pronounce these words as shortly, quickly. So it is, we have to pronounce these words quickly. Took. Okay. Now see the next activity 10. Your teacher will read the following words. Listen and repeat. See here what the words are given. Short, what, got, Scott, moth, cloth, hot, bob. What is the common sound in all of these words? It is aw, aw sound. Here it is coming now. So here the symbol, this is the symbol to represent the common sound aw. Okay. Write 4 more words with the same sound. Pot, got. Here you write this as got or god. Okay. God. Show. Not. Next activity is activity 11. Your teacher will read the following words. Listen and repeat. Shore, score, more, drone, court, board, course, floor. Here it is short vowel o. Here it is long vowel o. Okay. These 2 dots represent the long vowel o. Here we have to pronounce these words shore like this. Okay. Write 4 more words with the same sound. Pour, note, most, prose. Okay. These are the 4 words which are pronouncing like this. Okay. Thank you, students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.